Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Ford Escape key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model, as there can be slight variations. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This simple DIY task can save you time and money. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be mindful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to separate the casing without causing damage. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality. Double-check the battery is seated correctly before closing the fob. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and carefully press them together until they snap securely into place. Give it a good squeeze to ensure it's fully closed. Now, head to your Ford Escape and test all the key fob's functions, including locking, unlocking, and the remote start if applicable. This confirms your new battery is working perfectly. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.